All right, I am Tiffany Graham with Fresno Hockey Talk. I'm here today with Kevin Kaminski, head coach of the Fresno Monsters. So what do you think the boys could have done better today?
Well, I thought we responded pretty good from the lackluster effort last night. I think the biggest thing is the work ethic was much better tonight, but we got to have that little more want and will, a little more passion, as a team to win. I thought we had some good opportunities, but we didn't capitalize. And like I said, against a good team, you have to bear down on your chances. So again, when we get opportunities, we have to make sure we hit the back of the twine. Otherwise, it goes the other way, and then they're getting opportunities. They got a good bounce there on the second goal, but that didn't cost us the game. We have to capitalize on our opportunities.
All right, so what do you think that we could do better tomorrow to get a chance of winning against this team?
Well, again, I thought we played much better defensively, yet our track pressure and our gaps have to be a lot better. Again, it's more our execution. We had some opportunities on some odd man rushes. We missed passes. We didn't even get a shot on a couple of them. Again, those are those chances. You only get so many of those a game, and you got to make sure you finish. And then also a 5-on-3. And, I think we only had one opportunity, a really solid opportunity to score, and the shot was blocked on a wide open net. So, again, just the execution and capitalizing on our chances.
All right, I believe that we can win against this team. I don't think we're really skating as much as we really could because this is a good team, especially since you showed up. So do you think we could beat this team?
Well, definitely. I mean, as you said, Tiffany, we're a very good team. We're going through a little down spell right now. But again, it's all about the attitude, the preparation, the focus to come here and compete for 60 minutes. And, like I said, we competed tonight much better than last night, but it wasn't for 60 minutes. We can't turn over the puck against a very good team. Our track pressure's got to be better. Our forecheck's got to be better. And we got to have better, stronger puck decisions. And again, we got to – exactly. Again, that's the execution. And, like I said, when we're the last weekend when we won against Valencia and Long Beach, our execution was better, and that's what it comes down to. But again, we need the care factor up and the work ethic up here, not here, because again, that's a very good team over there, and I believe that we're going to have a very solid performance and come away with a W tomorrow.
We're all looking forward to it. Hopefully a win tomorrow. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.